What is that? Roman numerals. These symbols actually in mathematics generally we can see the numbers. No, what are those numbers? Like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These numbers we can call it as the Hindu-Arabic numerals. Yes or no? Hindu-Arabic numerals means in our Indians and overall the world we can see this kind of digits only in a number. Yes or no, dear children? Have you seen whenever if you can go to the America, if you can go to the Australia, wherever we can see only the numbers. Which kind of Hindu-Arabic numerals? That kind of from 0 to infinitely, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all these numbers. It comes under the Hindu-Arabic numerals. Okay. Now, so here coming to this point here, actually these Hindu-Arabic numerals in the ancient days, it was not there. Okay. Okay, dear children. So actually we are seeing these numbers. No, these numbers in our old, in the ancient days, it's the 6th period. People here, they did not else. What are they? Roman numerals. My voice is not clear to you all. Yugesh, you did not get my voice clearly. You are not getting my voice. Okay. I think some network issue, I think so. Now, will you get, now are you getting my voice clearly? Is it okay, dear children? Okay. Have you cleared? Okay, good. Okay, dear children, now listen everybody. So, in the ancient period, means in 2000 years ago, means 196 years. So, in the year, so many years back, it was, they didn't use these Hindu-Arabic numerals. They were used only the Roman numerals, means only one line, 2 lines, 3 lines, 4 means 1V, and 5 means V, and 6 means V1, like that. This kind of numbers only they are used. So here, Roman Catholics, they were, now in the ancient period, they did not have any king, have the government also before independence. Okay, before independence, the kings, they were ruled all the kingdoms. Like here, Indians, they did not have the Indians, only the Greeks will be there. Greeks was there at that time. At that time, they don't know the education. They don't know the education. Just they have used these symbols and they have come to know that one. This one symbol, if they have no means, then it is 1. And 2 means 2. Like that, they were used this kind of symbols. They are used the Roman Catholics. And Mayan people, they are used this kind of numbers. Look at here on the screen, dear children, everybody. So here in this box here is there, no, this is the Hindu-Arabic. In now present India, present overall the world, we are using this kind of numbers. But when it comes to the Egyptians, they are used this kind of, now this kind of numbers. Roman Catholics, they were used this kind of numbers. And Mayan people, they are used this kind of numbers. Hebrew people, they are used, means, so in the ancient periods, they were depending upon the kings. They have known that this kind of digits and this kind of symbols, they were used for the as a numbers. But coming to now present days, we are everywhere, wherever we can go there, we are using overall the world, we are using this kind of numbers. That kind of numbers we can call it as the Hindu-Arabic numerals. Somebody, they will ask you, dear children, you are using some of the numbers, no, 0, 1, 2, 3. What do we call this kind of numbers? Means what do you have to say? Hindu-Arabic numerals. What do you have to say, dear children? Tell me. Hindu-Arabic numerals. Somebody, they will ask you, Dear children, here now we are using this kind of numbers, no, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This kind of overall these numbers, what do we call? Then you have to say this is Hindu Arabic numerals. So now, are there any number systems? Different kind of numbers will be there. Means in the ancient period it was there, but present now overall the world we are using this kind of numbers only. Okay, now how do you actually have learned this Roman numerals, few of them in the in your lower classes. Now we can somewhat extending of this we can learn some of the extension of 1, and V means 5. V means what is that? 5. Note down in your notebook, please, everybody. Okay, I like is there means I like, if it is there means we have to assume that it is 1. Okay, and V means 5. V is equal to 5. Note down in your notebook, everybody. Don't look here and there. Take your notebook and copy down in it. Okay, copy down in your notebook, dear children. Now V means 5, X means 10. What is that? X means 10. Note down. You have to write. L means 50. You have learned in the low classes up to the C and D only. In the lower classes, you have learned up to the LCD only, but this today, now in this class, you will learn this up to the M also. M means it's nothing but 1000. What is that? M means 1000. Okay, note down in your notebook, please. Means we can write 3, but when it comes to the 4, they did not have the symbol. So if they did not have the symbol, by using of the given digits only, we have to make it the 4 and the 9 symbol. Now look at here on the screen, dear children. 3 means 1 plus 1 plus 1, like that we can write. And when it comes to the 4 and 6, so how do you have to write? So 4 means, so 4 it will come before the 5. Actually, we have known that 5 symbol, you have known that. Okay, na? 5 symbol, actually you have known that is V, and 4 when it comes 5 minus 1, so this V before means we have to subtract 1, no? 5 minus 1, it will come 4, so we have to subtract. When we are getting subtraction, then we have to keep it that number in the before of that given digit. Okay, so we have to keep here V before here 1, that is when we are keep this like, then we have to assume that this is 4. Okay, so this is subtraction. Okay, my voice is not clear to you all now. Now are you getting my voice? Yes or no, dear children? Is it clear to you all? Tell me, dear children, please. Okay, have you cleared? No? So coming to this, these numbers you have to copy down. So example here, 5 can be subtracted by 1 and L can be subtracted by X. L is 50, no? 50 can be subtracted by X. X means 10. 50 minus 10, like that we can able to subtract it. And D from D we can subtract it here C. So D means 500 and C means 100. So from 500 to we are able to subtract it 100. Okay. When you want to write it here 100, 400, how do you write CD? CD means it's nothing but 400. So how do you know that means? D means 500. So before D we have written here C. C means what is that? 100. So 500 minus 100, what it comes? 400. What is the Roman numeral of 400 means? CD. Okay. Okay, dear children. I hope that everyone have you understood. And this I think everyone have you known that. If you don't know, then you have to copy down in your notebook this box, dear children. Up to 20 they have given, no? You have to copy down in your notebook. And tomorrow I will ask you few of the numbers on that, dear children. Okay. So what is the Roman numeral of 5 here? Will you tell me? What is the Roman numeral of 5? V. Very good, Mokshit. Superb. What is the Roman numeral of 7? What is the Roman numeral of 7? From 5 to how many numbers we have to add to get 7? 2. So what is the Roman numeral of 2 here? 2 i's it will come. V, 1, 1. Okay. Okay, dear children. Now next, what is the Roman numeral of 10? 10. 10, dear children. X. Very good. What is the Roman numeral of 14? 14. 14. 14 means what is that? 10 plus 4. You have to expand it the given number. Then you can easily write any Roman numeral. Okay. 10 means X. 4 means what is that? IV. Okay. XIV means it's nothing but 14. So what is the Roman numeral of 19? 19. For the 19, first of all, you have to expand it. How do you expand here? 10 plus 9. 10 plus 9, 19 only it will get, no? So I think the X value, you know that. X. And what is the value of 9 here? IX. Very good, Sai Swaroop. XIX. Very good, Ritesh. Now, what is the expanded form of 11? 11. Tell me. 11. 11 means 10 plus 1. First of all, you have to expand the given number. Then you can easily write it. Okay, very good. Very good, dear children. Very good, Mokshit. Very good, Ritesh. And what is the expanded form of 3? Now, we don't have any expansion of that because they have given only the one digit number. What is that one digit number? 3. What is the one digit number Roman numeral? Very good, Neeraj. 3 means I it will come. What is the expanded form of 20 here? 20. 20 means what is that? 20 expanded form, what is that? 10 plus 10. 10 plus 10 means we have to write 2x. X means 10 and x means 10. Then when you join these two numbers, you will get here the number. Okay, dear children. Now they have given the they have given the Roman numeral. You have to write it in the Hindu Arabic numeral. Okay, VII means what is that number? VII means what is that number? 7. Very good, Sai Swaroop. Now what is the Hindu Arabic numeral of XX? Very good, Neeraj. Very good, Vaishnavi. 20. Very good, Ritesh. Yatish. Very good, 20. What is the Hindu Arabic numeral of X? 1, 1, 1. Very good, Sahasra. What is the Roman numeral of X? No, Ritesh. Once again, check the answer. They did not give 2x. They have given only 1x. Okay, very good. 13. 13 is the correct answer. No Akshay, no Mokshit. Okay, 13. 13 is the correct answer. So what is the Roman Hindu-Arabic numeral of XV1? Tejashri, give the response to me. XV1. No dear Sai Swaroop. 16. Very good Ritesh. Very good Mokshit. Okay, very good dear children. You have done well. And they have given in the sentences in they have given the sentences. In that sentences they have given the some of the numbers into Arabic numerals have given. You have to write it in the Roman numeral. Okay, dear children, will you complete this task? No? So very good. So thank you dear children. Up to now we have completed this chapter. Then tomorrow we can evaluate once again this topic and I will send you this homework for you tomorrow. And you have to complete it, this task C, D, E, F. They have given this like a word problem like they have given. What is that Sai Swaroop? Tell me. Tejashri, you don't have to give the response. Just simply you are sitting. Why are you not sending the message to me? What is that Sai Swaroop? Once. 11. No, it's not 11. 16. Yatish. What is that problem, Sai Swaroop? Tell me. I will clarify your doubt. Roman numerals, once again, I have to explain. For 500, what do you call? Okay. Okay, once again, write down. I means 1, X means 10, V means 5, X means 10, and L means 50, C means, L means 50, C means 100, D means 500, M means 1000. Okay, have you written no? And if you don't know, if you have the textbook, look at here in the textbook page number 54. So dear children, please you have to collect your textbooks from your campus, okay, from your school, because it will make you it will help you to check the answers and questions, whatever it might be. Okay, dear children. So today homework you have to complete it. This practice time 5 C, D, E, F Romans. Okay, they have given in the number name. Word problem. You have to clarify that problem. After that, you have to write it in the Roman numeral. Okay, the answer you should have to write it in the Roman numeral. So one example I will tell to you. Simran had 40 pencils. Okay, Simran had 40 pencils and she shared the pencils equally into 5 boxes. She has given for each friend 5 boxes. How many pencils will there in each box? Each person, so 40 pencils are there. She has shared 5 boxes. Okay, no, you have to divide it there, this one, dear children. So from 40 pencils she has shared equally to the 5 children. Then each one, how many pencils they will get? In each box, how many pencils they will get? No, it's not correct answer. When you divide it from 40 to 5, what it will come? You didn't understand? Once again, I will tell to you. Simran, one of the girl, very good Neeraj, 8 is the correct answer. Because Simran had 40 pencils here. Then this is Simran, what she did here? She has given to her friends equally. In each box, she has kept 5 pencils. For how many children they will get how many pencils? 8. 8 is the correct answer. Very good. Okay, dear children. So the answer you should have to write it in the Roman numeral. Okay. Tomorrow I will send you these answers to you, dear children. And yesterday's homework I will say key I will send you now. Please you have to check it. Okay. Thank you, dear students, for attending the class. Bye. See you.